In this video, I will be showing you how to add files to the Windows Copilot chatbox. Let's get started. First, I move my cursor down to the search bar located at the bottom of the screen. I type in Edge to locate the browser application. The option for Microsoft Edge appears under the best match, and I click it to open up the browser. Once Microsoft Edge is open and loaded, I navigate over to the top right corner of the window. There, you can see the Chat button. I go ahead and click on it. This action opens up the Copilot sidebar right next to my main browser page. Inside the Copilot chat box, I look down near the bottom where the text prompt box is located. Below the text entry line, there is a small plus icon button labeled Smart. I click this plus icon to open up additional options for my interaction. After clicking it, a small menu pops up directly above. Among these options, you will see choices like adding a link or uploading an item. I move my mouse over to the file attachment icon, which gives me the option to upload from this device. I click on Upload from this device. This action triggers a standard Windows File Explorer pop-up box to appear on the screen. From here, I can look through my local folders to find the exact file I want to use. I navigate to my desktop and then locate the folder containing my documents. I open that folder to view the files inside. I select the specific Excel file I want to upload by clicking on it once to highlight it. Once the file is selected, I move my cursor down to the bottom right of the File Explorer window and click the Open button. Now, you can see that the Excel file is successfully attached inside the Copilot chatbox input field. I can see a preview layout of the file name right there. To proceed, I click into the text area next to it and type out a quick prompt or question regarding the file, such as asking it to analyze the spreadsheet. Finally, I hit the Send button, which is the small arrow icon on the far right of the input box. The Copilot immediately begins processing the document. After a moment of analysis, it generates a comprehensive response directly in the chat, breaking down the main points and summary data from the file I just uploaded. And that is exactly how you add files to the Windows Copilot chatbox. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.